In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation in MS Word for just one page. This handy trick can be incredibly useful when you're putting together documents that require a mix of portrait and landscape orientations. Whether you're working on a report, a manual, or any document that needs to include wide tables, charts, or images, you'll find this tutorial invaluable. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Word. This might seem straightforward, but for those new to navigating Windows, here's how you do it. Begin by clicking on the Windows Start menu, the little icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Upon doing this, you'll notice a search bar at the bottom. This is your gateway to finding any application on your computer. Simply type Word into this search bar. The search results will promptly show the Microsoft Word application. Click on it to open. Once Microsoft Word is up and running, you'll be greeted with the Word home screen. Here you have two options depending on what you need. If you're starting a new document, go ahead and click on Blank Document. However, if you're working with an existing file, you can open it by navigating through the recent documents or by clicking on Open to search your computer for the file. Now that you have your document open in front of you, let's proceed to the task at hand, changing the orientation of a single page. Look towards the top of the window and you'll find several tabs. The one we're interested in is called Layout. Click on it. This brings up several options related to page setup and design. Under the Layout tab, you'll see an option labeled Orientation. It's right here that most users get stuck, as making a selection at this point would typically change the orientation of the entire document. But we're focusing on just one page, so here's the crucial next step. Identify the page you wish to change the orientation for. Now, place your cursor at the very start of this page. This is important because Word needs to know exactly where to apply the change. It's also worth noting that if you want to change the orientation back to its original state on the following page, you'll need to place your cursor at the start of that page later on. Once your cursor is in place, click on Orientation under the Layout tab. You'll see two options, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default, with the longer side of the paper running vertically. Landscape, on the other hand, flips the page so the longer side runs horizontally. Choose the option that suits your needs for the specific page. If you need to flip back to the original orientation for the following page, or any other page, simply repeat the process of placing your cursor at the beginning of the page you want to revert, then selecting the desired orientation from the Layout tab. A couple of things to keep in mind as you perform these steps. 1. Asterisk asterisk. Make sure you're in the right spot. Mistakes often occur when the cursor isn't placed correctly. Double check to ensure you're exactly where you need to be before changing the orientation. 2. Asterisk asterisk. Take advantage of section breaks. For more complex documents, learning how to use section breaks can give you even greater control over page layouts and formatting. This might be a skill you want to explore further as you become more comfortable with Word. 3. Asterisk asterisk. Preview before printing or sharing. Always preview your document after making these changes. This ensures everything looks as expected before you print or share the document. Changing the orientation of a single page in a Microsoft Word document can enhance the presentation of your information significantly. With this simple yet effective technique, you'll find that accommodating various types of content in your documents is easier than ever. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these steps will become. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layout options to discover what works best for your particular project. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, whether you're compiling a report, drafting a book, or putting together any document that benefits from mixed page orientations. These steps will ensure your final product looks exactly as you envisioned. Happy formatting!